What is up, people? This is Ron Kamleo, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, today is the day where I'm going to show you all something great, something crazy, something like I have never shown before on this channel, and something I have never seen before on my channel. And this is like my dream come true, something like that. I really don't have any words to explain this. What I'm going to show you all in this video. I hope you guys have seen the thumbnail and you guys have little bit of hint about it. So basically, I'm not going to show you all some crazy unboxing, but it is, if the crazy unboxing is here, this is here, or maybe here, or maybe here. I hope you guys see my hands because it is out of the screen, I guess. So yes, this is going to be the craziest video I have ever made. So I really don't want to make you all like wait, like extremely wait. So yes, let's start with the video. So yes, I just want to tell you guys, so what has happened. So I have received a gift and it is from Converse. It is not technically a gift, but I have asked for it. But I don't know if you guys understand that being in a position to ask a brand for a gift is a crazy thing. And I have not actually asked the exact brand, but someone there who works for that exact brand, he is the most craziest guy I have ever met on internet, and most loving, most humble, most. So Nirmal sir, if you're watching this, thank you so much for this gift, and this is mind blowing for me. And I don't know how to explain these things, but I'll show you guys what has happened. So this is what I have received from Converse. You guys know what is this. This is a Converse Chuck 70s. So this is what has happened. So this is what has happened, and this is what has happened, and I really can't explain this thing. And the most exciting part is not that I have got a shoes from Converse. The most exciting part is they all are samples, and I really don't know how to explain this, how to convert this feeling into my words. But this is something very crazy. If you like really understand what I really want to show you guys, or what I really want to tell you guys, because this is the ultimate thing which can happen with me, and it has happened. And it is not that crazy thing if you think like an audience, but for me it is something very big. It's very, very, very big, and I don't know what to explain about this. I don't know how to show you guys, how to tell you guys about these things. And if you can see here, if you guys think I'm like fooling you or something like that, you can see this. I hope it gets focused, and it has written sample here, Converse samples, Converse salesman samples, and on some pairs it is Converse interim samples. I don't know what is that exactly, but it is a sample at the end. And as I said, it is not like Converse has sponsored this video, or Converse has itself sent me this sneakers to show you guys. It is nothing like that. I have asked for this sneakers, and not particularly this sneakers. I just asked for a single sneaker, and in return I got this 4 pair. And the most weird thing about it is, like, it is not a pair. This is only a single sneaker. I don't have the other pair. If this is the left pair, yes, it is a left pair, and I don't have the right pair for myself. It is like only one pair of sneakers I have. And maybe as audience you will think like, what will you do of this one pair? It is waste, it is something like that. But this is going to be my trophy. This is going to be the thing which you keep in the showcase. Like, it's the medal, it's something like that for me. And I don't know how to explain this. So I'm really excited to show you guys and tell you guys about these things, because this is something very special to me. And now I'll talk about the sneakers, because individually they are crazy, like extremely crazy. And I'll talk about this first, because a lot of you guys know this sneaker. What is this? This is Converse Pro Leather high tops. And if you guys think this is the normal Converse Pro Leather, no, you guys are wrong. Because in normal Converse Pro Leathers which you see on the market, you can get this sneaker on Myntra, Ajio, somewhere like that. But in that sneaker, this Converse logo you see here is of leather. But in this, because this is a sample, this is like in tube. You can see here, I hope you can see. If not, I'm really sorry for that, but I hope this is made out of tube or something like that. This is air tube or something like that, I don't know exactly. So this is one sneaker, I guess. So this is mind blowing for me. Then coming to this sneaker, if you guys have seen this sneaker, I'll put up the image. If this is not the exact sneaker, something like that, I'll put up the image. When I don't remember exactly, but if you see the sneaker, I guess in the normal model this is printed, this black strips on the Converse is printed, but in this Converse it is stitched leather and it is crazy. You can see this. I hope it gets in the video. This is not printed, this is stitched here, this leather, and that is crazy. This is crazy detail on the sneaker, and I would love to have this Converse in personal collection because this is a crazy one. I really loved this. Now coming to the normal Converse Chuck 70s. You guys know the normal Converse Chuck 70s, but I feel like there is a difference in this Converse and the normal Converse, because you can see it is missing this black strip here, the black strip which is here. I guess that might be the difference, but I don't know exactly. But the most craziest difference between this and the normal Converse is this Converse logo. Just look at this and you will know the difference, because this is not the normal circle patch, it is something different. It has this sharp outer edge of this zigzag pattern, and you can see this here. I think I should get my Converse. So I got my normal Converse, and this is Chuck 70s black. You guys know this, and you can see the difference here. Sorry. You can see the difference here and see the patches. It is different. It is very different, and I'm like really liking this part. I guess I should get something like this if it is available in the market. Now I'll keep this aside, and now coming to the most craziest Converse I have ever seen, because I have not seen something like this in the market, and this is like really weird and something crazy, and that is this Converse Chuck 70s. I don't know what it is. I really don't know what it is called. French, something like that. Shadowberry black Egrant. The colorway of this sneaker is Shadowberry black and Egrant, if I'm pronouncing it right. And it is Chuck Taylor All-Star 1970s French. This sneaker is known as French, I guess. So this is a wool. You can see this. This is a wool, and this is like crazy. I have never seen something like this on the sneaker. And the most exciting part about this sneaker is its tongue. You can see the tongue here. I don't know if you can see or not, but you can see the tongue here. It is something very different, and not the normal Converse have this. And see this, that deconstructed vibe. I really love that, and this is craziest thing I've ever shown on my channel. I can bet you guys with this, because having a sample from Converse at my place, having it in my collection is mind blowing. I don't know how to explain this, but this, just look at the sneaker. This dark pink star here. This is crazy, literally crazy. I don't know what it is showing in the camera, but here in personal, this is like really beautiful sneaker, and this is my most favorite out of this. But these are my most favorite in my collection right now. It is over the Jordans. It is, I am really sorry if I'm making you guys bored of this video, but I really can't explain you guys this. And if you guys don't know and think I'm still fooling you guys, you can see this. It is written sample. I hope it is not for sale, something like that. Yes, Converse sample, not for sale, if you guys can see. And it is on all the pairs, so it is crazy thing for me. And the most important part, I feel like, is the Converse always has the brown bottom. If you guys don't know, it is a bit dirty right now, but you guys know that Converse has the brown bottom. But these Converse has the black bottom, I guess because of the samples. I really don't know, but I feel like it is because of the sample. You can see it has the black bottom, and being really honest, black looks really sexy on this. I don't know why and what is the reason of putting brown outsole here, but here this one looks really sexy, and this one is nice, but I started loving this one. So yes guys, that was pretty much it for this video. I really don't know how to explain these things, but yes, I have to stop this video somewhere, and this is the time I'll stop this video, because I don't want you guys to get bored more of this thing, because this is something very special to me, like very special to me, and I can keep talking about it, but you guys can't hear about it for a long time. So yes, thank you so much guys for this thing basically, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you keep supporting me this way, and we'll grow a long way. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video guys. See you next time in the next video.